other definitions you should know: the VMC, IMC, and runway visual range. So the VMC, these are conditions that basically allow visual flight rules, operations, or flights to happen. These conditions have been set to a certain level where if those conditions are met, then the visual flight rules, operations can take place. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm trying to make it as easy as it can be, because if you treat just the definition, you may get confused right now. Then the IMC instrument, the instrument conditions, these are the conditions that allow for the instrument flight rules, operations to take place. So the instrument meteorological conditions are less in comparison to the visual conditions. So the visual conditions have been set to a level whereby they have to be met, and those conditions have to be better than the set levels. Anything less falls under instrument meteorological conditions, and anything that doesn't meet the conditions, the visual conditions, leads to the operation of an instrument flight operations. I don't know if that makes sense. Hope you get that. Then the runway visual range, this is the measurement that determines the distance at which, or it's a range that determines the distance at which the pilot can see the runway surface, markings, and lighting during a landing or a takeoff. And this kind of information is essential to pilots because it gives information about the visibility conditions that allows pilots to make decisions regarding their aircraft operations.